HCIE 5G Radio V1.5. Written, H35-582-ENU. Real questions are shared free for your preparation. 1. In the 5G network, which technology is used to ensure end-to-end service quality? A. Big connections. B. Millimeter wave technology. C. Network slicing. D. Edge computing. Answer: C. 2. Which of the following are commercial products in the 5G terminal industry? Multiple choice. A. Vehicle-mounted mobile module. B. Mobile handheld terminal. C. Mobile MiFi hotspot device. D. Home CPE gateway. Answer: A, B, D. 3. Which of the following are advantages of accessing 5G at home? Multiple choice. A. Rapid deployment and go-to-market. B. Optical fiber class rate. C. Higher reliability than optical fiber. D. Flexible deployment. Answer: A, B, D. 4. Which of following coding schemes is predominantly used for traffic channel in 5G? A. Parallel code. B. Turbo coding. C. Convolutional code. D. LDPC. Answer: D. 5. Which of the following are major challenges in the 5G era? Multiple choice. A. Explosive increase of connected devices. B. Ultra-low latency for communication between vehicles. C. Fast handover on mobile networks. D. Surging increase of MBB data traffic. Answer: A, B, D. 6. Which of the following love application scenarios can't be implemented by 5G V2X? Multiple choice. A. In-vehicle infotainment, IVI. B. Visualized traffic operation and scheduling. C. Door-to-door traffic information service. D. Vehicle road coordination. Answer: A, B, D. 7. Which of the following are commercial product in the 5G terminal industry? Multiple choice. A. Vehicle-mounted mobile module. B. Mobile handheld. C. Mobile MiFi hotspot device. D. Home CPE gateway. Answer: A, B, D. 8. Which of the following is the key technology to enhance high-altitude coverage 5G network? A. UL and decoupling. B. FOFDMA. C. 256 QAM. D. Massive MIMO. Answer: D. 9. Which of the following benefits does 5G bring to automated driving? Multiple choice. A. Removing single vehicle intelligence and achieving intelligent coordination. B. Interactive perception and experience improvement. C. Low latency, reducing red uncertainty. D. Making up for the constraints on sensors due to distance and environment. Answer: A, B, C, D. 10. Which of the following security technologies are used on a 5G network? Multiple choice. A end-to-end security protection between PLMNs. B. 256-bit encryption algorithm. C. Integrity protection on the user plane over the air interface. D. Encrypted IMSI transmission. Answer: A, B, C, D.